Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is May the 23rd and I'm using my brand new Super Scalper trading system. Now this Super Scalper here on the top, when it changes from blue to yellow or yellow to blue, you'll get an audio alert along with this pop-up box drawing your attention to which pair you should at least take a look at. Doesn't mean take the trade. And of course you always have to be going in the direction of the higher time frames. In other words, you have to have some kind of a daily trade plan. Now if you don't have some kind of a plan, that is probably one of the main reasons why you are failing. Because if you're sitting on 5 minutes, it's just going to go up and down, but at least if you're going to go in the direction of the higher time frames, most of the time, not 100% of the time, but most of the time you're going to get some pips. Now when I use this along with the TZ, this indicator here, the goal line, I've nicknamed it like a magic indicator. It's very powerful for, it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. And as my mentor said many years ago, you got to plan your trade and then trade your plan. And then you'll find a lot more successful trades. Now no system, no trading plan has 100% winners all the time. As you can see down here, 6 trades, 1 loser. As long as you are positive day in and day out, like I am, you will find a lot of success at trading. And usually once I get around 200 or more pips and ticks, I am done trading. And I closed out all the trades right around 10, about the same time here. And I pulled the trade, took the trades 850 and 950. Had to wait for things to line up before I pulled the trigger. So let's take a look at these trades. Remember my daily trade plan. On this one, the euro yen said to buy. Now it could have easily broke the top and kept going, but it looks like on this euro yen it's just moving sideways and there's not much I can do about it. So this was my loser, so it's negative. And let's see, got out at this cursor here with about minus 28 pips. So this is a negative $2,195. Okay, let's move on to the Euro CAD. Now the first 3 Forex pairs, I bought them, and the bottom 3 instruments here, S&P 500, Russell, and NASDAQ, I sold them. So on this Euro CAD, let's see where I got in at. There's the arrow. Knew I wanted to be buying. See where I got in at. Here we go. The signal would have been right here. Pull the trigger. And it's another one that's kind of just going somewhat flat because of the long weekend, I would imagine. But anyhow, you can still make money on long weekends, bank holidays. Don't let anybody tell you you cannot make money on bank holidays and long weekends. Well, if the market is open, you can make pips and ticks and money. So on this trade I got 14 pips and that paid out $1,094. Moving on to the Euro Aussie. Here's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be buying. Let's see where I got in at. Would have had an alert about here. Took the trade. This one, I was hoping it was going to break the top, but it didn't. Another one that's going somewhat sideways, but it still was a winner of about 18 pips. and 18 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $1,277. Now we can get into the instruments that not only move the most, it also pays the most. S&P 500. Let's take a look at this one. Here we go. S&P 500. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow directly from my daily trade plan. So let's run a check on this S&P 500. There's the arrow. Wanted to be selling it. Let's see where I got in first of all. So the scalper would have gave a sell signal right here. I pulled the trigger on this candle, pull back up closer to the scalper. I teach all of these secrets within the training videos. And so let's see what this shows here. Let's see. Just to let you know, I used a calculator. I took the money, divided it by $5. It pays $5 each tick. And just to let you know, it showed 185. It's about as close as I can get. So it's, you remove the last digit, so it's 185 ticks, and that paid out $9,250. Okay, let's move on to the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 a tick. So let's see where I got in. I knew I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow. Had a sell signal right here. Jumped around here and here. Let's see what that is. That's 9:30, the opening bell. Many days you'll see this bit of a jumping around. But once it stabilized, I knew it was going to go down. And I'm glad I closed it out because look at it. It's, you know, it's, I guess it's because it's a long weekend and whatnot. But anyhow, still ended up making, just to let you know, I took the calculator, took the money, divided it by 20, and it did show 57 if I can get it to stop. There it is. 57, you remove the last two digits, so 57 ticks paid out $11,400. Okay, moving on to the last trade, Russell. This one pays $10 a tick. Let's see where I got in at. So the alert would have came about here to sell, of course. I took the trade at this cursor and producing about should be 124 because just looking at the money down there, 124. So it has to be 124. Remove the last digit. So 124 ticks paid out $12,400. So another great day of trading. Fantastic way to start off the week. I added up all the pips and ticks here. As I mentioned, it would be definitely over 300. It was actually over 400 pips and ticks. Ended up with 426 pips and ticks, and that paid out $33,225. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my Super Scalper system, well, I recommend get your hands on it and don't forget about the daily trade plan. That is a separate thing. The daily trade plan, if you want to get it from me, it's $100 a month. Or if you want, I can actually teach you how to make one. And you're going to save thousands of dollars over the years. So if you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this information. My Super Scalper system, I do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now my system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 3 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is all just bonus stuff, packed with a lot of educational material, help you to succeed. It should anyhow, help you to succeed at trading. Now, there's a lot of ways to trade. I do teach a lot of different ways to trade. That's why there's 22 training videos, about 30 minutes long each. Now, you can put the video on pause, read everything here. If you have any questions at all, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And of course, if you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I do prefer Skype. Made it simple and easy. All you got to do is click on this link and we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. Keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. So we're just about time to wrap up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully that'll be tomorrow, providing there's no distractions. I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.